Here. What?
You gonna make a snowball? You gonna make a snowball?
Yes.
Yes.
Magic man.
Ooh, look at this snowball. Oh. Look at that snowball. My goodness. That fence looks like enemy number one. What's the matter, Peanut?
Okay, you guys deserve that. Oh, I didn't go in snow.
What do you want? You want a snowball?
So did you see, Logan, that someone came from way up there, hiked down to the backyard, went all into there?
Yes, we watched them this morning. It was two girls.
Two girls?
Yep.
Hello.
I didn't throw a snowball.
Yeah, you did.
No, I just pushed a top on you.
Yeah, it kind of was with something.
But that was light snow, wasn't it?
You get hit by one?
How heavy is that?
What? How heavy?
Well, how high? Well, dude, don't make it.
What you doing?
Not bad, guys. Careful, careful. Let's not nail Logan.
Hello?
Mason, you believe the warmest thing out here, Mason, is the compost. Wow. Mason, there's something in the compost. Lauren! Get back here.
You know what you do? Use these. Hot down.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
What?
Cost